Hello, the case share this time is the sensor laser welding, and the material is the stainless steel 304. We need to finish the circumferential laser hermetic sealing welding on one hand. Let's take a look about the specific laser welding process. Our craftsmen set the laser parameters based on their processing experience, and then finish the welding test quickly. Now the test is finished. Let's check the welding effect. Under the microscope, we can see that the welding effect is very good, and the welding seam is flat, smooth, without any cracks and pores. Okay, now the test is finished. If you guys are interested in this video, or if you have the same problem about the welding issue, please kindly click the like button or leave your message below here. See you later.